Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make a playlist on SoundCloud. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, just go ahead and open the SoundCloud application. Once you launch the SoundCloud app, you'll basically see this type of interface right now. If you want to actually create a playlist, all you have to do is first of all come to the Library tab. Then you'll find the option Create Playlist. All you have to do is just tap and Create Place button. And then you can simply name your playlist over here. Then if you want to make this playlist public, you can do that, but I'll just leave it as private. Now I'll tap on the Save option. Now I have to add some music to this playlist. So to do that, all I have to do is tap on the Add Music button over here. I can choose these songs that I want to add to this playlist over here. Now that I want to add it to this specific place in my case, I can as well go ahead and then do that. If I tap on the three-dot icon, I can just tap on it, I can tap on the three dots. I can select the option called Add to Playlist. Then I can just select the playlist that I have. Then it will be added to my playlist over here. You can also simply search for them, then just tap on the Save button, and here you can see I've successfully created my playlist. And that's it on how you can actually create a playlist on SoundCloud. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.